So here is a nonlinear objective and nonlinear constraints. And how do we do this using Excel? And we have this setup here. I first put x1 and x2 in this variable section, and this yellow highlighted area is changing variables. And then objective we have is I'm going to put all these variables that we need to put for constraints. So all the variables that we have is x1 and x1 squared, x1 times x2, x2, x2 tripled, and 1 over x2. So 6 variables I put there, and I only put this corresponding coefficient there for x1 $13, for x1 and x2 $6, for x2 $5, and for 1 over x2 is 1, right? So I entered this coefficient there, and my sum product function is that I think I have to do this again. Sum product function is my this one times that one, right? That's my one. And notice that this, for example, x1 is simply from the determined variable there, and x2 is squared over here, and x3 x1 times x2 is over there, and x2 is simply from there. So I just link them together, and x2 tripled is tripled of this value from there. So once these two values are determined, then automatically this value will be determined. And this one gives you error message because there's nothing there. 1 over zero 0.7 or zero 0.7, this one is 0, so there's no number for that. So that's why it is giving you the error message. So don't panic. And again, this one gives you error message because there's nothing here. And I entered these three constraints. So 2x1 squared, 2x1 squared plus 4x2 over here. And here, let me write it for you again, equals sum product of these values times this coefficient. And I need to add $ for L7 and Q7, and then just copy it down. Then I have that. And then you are ready to run your Excel solver. So go to data and click on solver. And here I'm going to say my objective function is right here, L10. The changing cells are right here, L3 and M3 in my case. And I added R14, and T14, right? R15 and T15. And the same, I could not add integer. It did not work for me, so I couldn't do that. So check on it and GRG nonlinear and click solve. And it's solved, right? So you have answer and sensitivity report, and it says x2 is 0.00525, and your profit is actually this, which is $1,901,578. That's your profit that you make under this given situation, and you have these answers right here. So this is how you can find the answer for your nonlinear programming when it includes both nonlinear component in objective and constraints. Thank you.